Lindiwe Dlamini Dikana have a way of dealing with people who stand in her way. This one is her biological sister. Will she do the same thing? Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on the river from the 24th to the 28th of October 2022 on Monday. Lindiwe has to put on an Oscar-winning performance for her sister. Kidiboni takes a big step. Nkanyiso votes against his own interest on Tuesday. Lindiwe is at her wit's end with Nolwazi's stand while Kidiboni are on the verge of ruining a good thing on Wednesday. Cobra scheme to get Kidiboni back in the nest, and Nkanyiso has to swallow a big bitter pill on Thursday. Cobra plays dirty and Nolwazi by herself more time on Friday. Lindiwe is on a mission to find the person that is responsible for her misery. Kidiboni picks between her blood family and the chosen family. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.